welcome back to my channel. I'm doing a real dramatic beat today. I'm gonna be using the Tartelette in Bloom palette. As you guys can see, this is a very dramatic but like still sexy and like still sultry makeup look. If you are interested in seeing how I achieve this makeup look, just please continue watching. Before you go anywhere, I need you to subscribe right here down below. On your right side of the screen, you're gonna see a little red subscribe button. If you are not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and click subscribe. Make sure you also click that little bell next to that subscribe button, the post notification bell, and support me, and make sure you have that on so you can see when I upload videos, guys. If you want any more looks similar to this, if you want to see kind of like a back to school kind of look, I'm thinking about doing a fall look because I'm planning on doing a review for a palette that I've had my eye on. So I'm thinking about doing a fall look for you guys. Let me know if you guys are interested in something like that. But without further ado, keep watching if you want to see how I achieved this look. So I'm starting off with my Skindinavia primer spray. I'm going to just put this on my face real quick. Next, I'm going to be taking my Tarte Maracuja oil, and I'm putting this on my face to give it some hydration and just some glow under my skin. And I'm setting that back with the Skindinavia primer spray. Going in with my LA Pro Conceal in orange, and I'm using this to correct all of my dark spots and dark circles and dark areas on my skin. Ladies, this is really good for anyone who has discoloration. This is a really good product to even out your skin tone before applying your foundation. Next, I did my brows, so now I'm putting on my primer for my eyes because we're going in with eyeshadow now. And we're going to be going in with this Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm just kind of making that base one color and evening it out. And I'm using this Tartelette in Bloom palette from Tarte. It's so beautiful. It has all neutral tone shades, which I love. And I'm going to be going in with Flower Child first for my brow bone area. And once I'm done, I'm going in with Smarty Pants for my transition color. I'm blending that all the way out in like a windshield wiping motion. And then I'm going in with Rebel, and I'm going to be kind of packing the color on with a more tapered brush, and then I'm blending it out again with that same brush I used. Next, I'm going to be going in with Leader, and I'm putting that on the outer crease just to kind of give some depth and some definition to my eyes and kind of bring those colors all in. And next, I'm going to be taking that same Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm cutting my crease with a very small flat brush. And I'm using Tarte Sun Drenched Chrome paint, and I'm going to be packing this color on with a small precise brush. Now I'm just going to be adding in more color to my outer crease just to blend that all in and make it all come together. And, you know, just going back in, packing some more color on until I get the look that I'm going for. Once I'm done, I'm going to take a wipe and just kind of clean up my eyes. And then I'm taking my Fenty Beauty liner, and I'm going to be creating a wing on that eye. And I'm just doing one eye on camera. So I'm taking this oil blocking gel primer from Black Radiance, and I'm putting that under my eye. And I'm taking my Aqua foundation from Coco, and this is in the shade 302. And this foundation is a little bit darker than my skin tone, but it's going to give me kind of a tan look, which I like. So next, I'm going to be going in with the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Camouflage Concealer. That's what I'm going to be using to highlight my under eye. And I'm taking a little bit using my flat brush, and I'm just cleaning up right under that wing, so it gives me a super sharp kind of cat eye moment that I love. It looked just so clean and just so perfect. Like, I did not mess up my eyeshadow earlier. It just looks bomb like this. And taking my Airspun translucent coverage powder, I'm going to be packing that powder right on those areas that I just highlighted with the concealer, just to set all that makeup and to make it flawless and stay on all day. Next, I'm taking my Fenty Beauty Coco Naughty Bronzer to bring some warmth back into my skin, some life back into my skin, some color back into my skin. And now I'm going to be putting on this white eyeliner from NYX. I think it's in the shade Milk. So going in and taking the color Leader from that same palette, I'm going to be packing that under my eyes. And then I'm taking Activist and I'm going to kind of pack that under my eye as well. And then I'm blending it out with Rebel, just to give it a little bit of color under there. And once I'm done applying my mascara, I'm going to be going in and contouring my nose using my MAC Skinfinish in Dark Deepest. I'm going to just kind of contour and chisel up my nose area and fixing my brows a little bit. Next, I'm taking my She Makeup lip liner, and I am lining my lips in this dark brown color. And once I finish lining, I like to take a Q-tip and kind of wipe it away so that it's not too harsh. And next I'm taking my Becca blush. I can't remember the name of this blush, but I leave it down below. It's a very like burgundy reddish tone blush. Going back in the palette, I'm taking Funny Girl, and I'm going to be putting that right in my inner corners just to brighten it up a little bit more. And I am adding some finishing touches using that same bronzer. Next, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Eyebrow Gel. Next, finally, we are on to lips, and I'm taking this Pat McGrath La Beija 400 Luxe Trans Lipstick. Fancy. And next I'm going to be taking the Pat McGrath Dare to Bare Lust Gloss. I put my lashes on, and now for highlighting, I'm going to be taking the Pat McGrath Highlighting Trio. I'm going to leave the name of that down below, but I'm using this gold shade just to finish off my makeup look. And it gave me a little bit of glow on my cheekbones, on my nose, everywhere, girl. And now I'm taking my MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm just going to cover my eyes so it doesn't get on there, but I'm just setting my skin and my makeup so it can all come together. And this is the final look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching. How do you guys feel about this makeup look? Let me know down below. But don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment. And I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.